Hello everyone, welcome to this platform. Once again, we are going to discuss deeper to how someone can file annual return. How can someone can file annual return? So stick right around here and we dive deeper into this fascinating thing. So if you already have the account with Uganda Registration Services Bureau, there you are good to go along. And then if you don't have yet your account or your company's account with Uganda Registration Services Bureau, you just fill in the information as you see, as you can also be guided by the system, and then you create one. So however, as we are going to talk about filing annual return, I wanted to also highlight the importance, the importance of why it is why we need to file annual return. So right around here, a few years ago, I have this data where in 2023 the registrar of companies track of 297,697 companies from the register that failed to file annual returns for 5 consecutive years, rendering them inactive and unable to conduct formal business. Operating a struck of company is an offense punishable by a fine of up to 4 million Uganda shillings per day, as per Regulation 41 of the Companies Registration 2023. So we are that shows how valuable to put into consideration filing your annual return without fail. So I have already an account. This is one of the account I have, so I'm going to sign in so that we can go directly to what we are supposed to do. So here, this is then the starting point. This is the starting point on the website. So here I come to the annual returns. Then right around here I see that this company, the time it has existed, it is one of the annual return of 2024. It is in progress, so it means that the administrator here was trying to start on this annual return filing. However, he did not finish it. So this is exactly me, because I wanted to take you through on how you can do so with your companies. Okay, so the 2025 annual return filing, it is still existing. It's still due, so it means that there are no problem. So let's find the annual return for 2024. So I will click around here and then it will show me that this is, I need to continue. However, trying to continue, it shows that there is an existing process, an existing filing. So I will come around my application or our applications, where I will just choose annual returns, and then I will see that there is a continuing application for annual return, or yes, application of annual return. So I will click here, continue, and then it will bring me these details or forms, steps to filing the annual return. They are not quite many, they are just 6 steps until you pay, and then you are good to go with filing your annual return. So around here, then I have the details. I'm not going to show each and every detail of the particulars in these forms because of confidentiality, but I will just walk you roughly through, since you can see that most of the details are automatically filled in. They are auto filled in, so there is not much thinking about what to do on or where, how. So it is quite easy. So here I will just come and fill in. For example, here I just choose randomly the name of the company auditor, yes, or the auditor. This is one of the mandatory fill-in. Okay, and then the address, I said Kampala, and then I continued. Okay, I continued. I'm not going to show all the details of particulars in the form. So this is also the second step where I will also continue. Actually, this step is very easy. These forms filing annual return is made easy, or was made easy, so there is no need to deal in with many unless you want to change. If you want to change the particulars or the participants in your company, of course you will have to go into those forms, and then you edit the name the way you want. For example, if you want to change the director, if you want to change the secretary, if you want to change anyone, shareholders, you have to go there and then you choose, you edit, you put in a different name on how you want to do it. And then at the end, okay, this brings me to this form that has been auto generated. Still I have nothing to edit, I have nothing to change in my filing of this annual return, so I have just continued roughly. So if I have changed anything, I have to upload the particulars touching a particular person that have included in this file, in this annual return, and then I upload that document right here. So I have to then continue to the payment part, where you see it is not actually a lot of money. Then it is only 55,000 Ugandan shillings, and then I do, if I already have the PRN, I click here and then I pay. If I don't have one, then I also generate it right here, and then it is provided to me, and then I pay. After payment, the system will sense, or will know that you have paid, and then it will submit, or the submission button will come on, and then you submit your annual return. So that is it, and that is as easy as that, and then you would be good to go with your year, so that your company can align very well with company regulations. Thank you so much for staying right at this end. I wish you the best.